Hi, this is Imai Jen-La Plante. I'm Principal Data Scientist at the Green Climate Fund, based in the Republic of Korea. As the world's largest climate fund, we manage a portfolio of over $10 billion in climate projects, although this is just the beginning of what's needed. I'll be speaking at the Asian Leadership Conference on the subject of climate and food security. Think of your favorite foods. Think of rice or chocolate or meat, and imagine not having enough. This is possible as the effects of climate change, such as changes in water availability and extreme weather, can cause loss of crops, loss of biodiversity, and disruption of supply chains. Food security is also closely linked to other climate topics, as food production is intensive in its use of energy and other materials that also produce carbon emissions. My background is as a physicist, innovation manager, and data scientist, and I love strategy games. You can think of the fight against climate change as a game that we can play only once for the future of humanity and other life on Earth. So we need to win, and we need to find all the rules and strategies that we can. I'll be speaking about innovation strategies and how we can better find and nurture climate projects that bring together public and private partners. We need to work together collaboratively, more quickly, and transparently. I'm looking forward to the Asian Leadership Conference and hope that you'll join in person in Seoul or online.